Now, Argentina Sports Foundation Female Athlete of the Year for 2021, Elaine Thompson Herah, is in line for another accolade after being nominated for the 2022 Laureus World Sports Awards.
After walking away with her second RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation Sportswoman of the Year award last month, Elaine Thompson Herah is in a strong position to add another trophy to her cabinet. Thompson Herah, a triple gold medalist from the Tokyo Olympic Games last summer, has already won the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year award, as well as being named Best Female Athlete of the Year by the International Sports Press Association, the North American, Central American and Caribbean Athletic Association, NACAC, and Athlete of the Year by Track and Field News, among many other accolades. The 29-year-old was the most outstanding athlete for 2021, where she became the fastest woman alive in the 100-meter event with 10.54 seconds done at the Eugene Diamond League meet. She also posted 21.53 seconds to take the 200 meters at the Olympic Games, a time that ranks her second fastest ever in the event. And it came days after her Olympic record run of 10.61 seconds to defend the 100-meter title in Tokyo. Thompson Herah has been nominated alongside Australian Open singles champion and world #1 tennis player Ashley Barty, American track star Allyson Felix, USA swimming sensation and 7-time Olympic gold medalist Katie Ledecky, Australia's most decorated Olympic swimmer Emma McKeon, and FIFA Women's Footballer of the Year Alexia Putellas of Spain. The winners of the Laureus Awards will be announced in a virtual awards show in April. Should Thompson Herah win, she will become the first Jamaican woman to land this award. 6 men, including recently retired NFL star Tom Brady, are listed for the male award. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.